Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change Telegram password. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to change your Telegram password, then first tap open your Telegram application from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main home page of Telegram, tap the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. At the very top, you should be able to see an option that says two-step verification. Give it a tap and enter your password for your Telegram account into the password text box. Once you do that, tap the next button at the top right. Now, you'll be able to see an option that says change password on the next page. Tap on change password and type in the new password you'd like to change to for your Telegram account. Soon after you type in the new password, tap the next button at the top right and re-enter your password in order to confirm that it is correct on the next page one more time. After typing in your password again, tap the next button at the top right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Telegram account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.